In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open up your Toyota Camry key fob and replace the internal battery at home. It is very easy to do. All you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries. Now, if you'd like to pick one of those up online, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. The first step here is just to look on the side. You see there's that little button that says push. We're going to hold that down and pull on the key here. I'm just going to remove this internal key and set that to the side. Now you can see there is the keyhole right here. This is the keyhole, and then perpendicular to it, there's this little opening, a little slot in the plastic. We want to insert our flathead screwdriver into that area, hold the device just kind of loosely and twist. Now we will click this thing open, and we can remove that back piece of plastic, set that to the side. And from here, I'd like to use the same flathead screwdriver, and you can just come in from the top and get between the battery and the plastic behind it. So we're just getting between there, and you can either just kind of wiggle it and push it down. You can also give it a little twist. Don't use too much force, you don't want to damage anything. I'll show you again. Just kind of get in there, and once you feel that it's in there, you just continue pushing or twist a little bit. Now get rid of your old battery, take a brand new CR2032 battery, and if you don't know where to find one of those, check out the link in the description. It's right there on Amazon. And when we put it back in, we want this positive side to be face up. Okay, so you want to click that back in, and you want to see that information and that little plus sign looking back at you. And from here, we can just click this piece back on there, snap it on there, and just put our key back in, and we are finished and good to go. Now you can check to make sure this little light comes on when you press the buttons. That means your battery is charged and you followed all the steps correctly. So good job, and I really hope that video helped you out. If it did, you can let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, we have videos for pretty much every maker model here on YouTube. And so you can check those out, or you can visit us directly at fobbattery.com.